And so today was the day that I glued my 5 glass partitions into the sump. I priced 1/4 inch Lexan, I priced 1/4 inch acrylic, and to buy enough material for this at Menards would have cost me $136, and that's not happening. I'd have bailed on the whole reef tank before I pay $136 for freaking plastic. That's madness. So I got glass. The hardware told me it was 1/8. It is not. It is 3. What is it? 3/32 or something? Whatever. It's fine. When you think about it, the only place there's going to be pressure on the baffles in this whole system is here. You'll have 1 inch of height difference. The rest of my system runs at the same level. That's the only place. Zero pressure. Basically zero pressure on that baffle. One thing I noticed when gluing these in, I made it easy on myself. In each baffle, I had about 3/16 of an inch of a gap. Even 1/8 of an inch would work on each side. And where we have a bubble trap, such as that one, boy, you can't see crap on this phone. What I did was, since there's a nice gap there, just lay a real heavy bead of silicone up that line, wipe it in, and on the other side, it'll bead up right through, right past the baffle. No need to run the caulk gun up and down in that little gap. What I did was, I made this little helper stick and glued a washer on the end, thinking that would give me about the right radius to come in between the water traps and wipe upward. And that washer was too big. I did end up doing that, but I just ended up using the corner of that stick. A smaller washer would probably work great. And the thing I noticed is you don't even need to wipe the damn seam. You don't even need to wipe it. When you press that through with your finger, it'll bead up nicely. You probably can't see that, but in a couple areas, like right there, yeah, you can't see it. Oh well, I didn't even wipe that one, and it worked out great. So, oh, the only other thing, people get crazy about sealing these baffles and making them watertight. It does not matter. That is the only one that matters. If you have 400 gallons per hour flow going through this thing, does it really matter if a little water leaks in any of these baffles? It doesn't matter. That is the only baffle that stops this tank from being pumped all up to the top tank should the overflow return fail. Right?